Hello, welcome back. This is Christina and this is day 3 of the Junk Journal January challenge. Now today it is throwback. So I know that my journal's a little bit about tea. I wanted to incorporate tea. I've got the little teacups and I have got a piece of the tea towel that I'm going to put in maybe here. Now this is why it's a throwback. Obviously an old tea towel's a throwback of some description, but however, maybe 2 years ago my daughter gave me a present of the French Earl Grey tea, and it's got all the little French things. And some of you might know where this is going if you've been on the channel for a while. And the cup. Now, I love the designs at T2. It's not a T2 ad, but the little basket you can put your tea in. When you can put this on to keep it warm, but when you've finished, you can put that there and it drains and it doesn't spill anywhere. It's such a great design. Anyway, my daughter had bought me the French Earl Grey with the specific French design. Little did we know that within a little while I would win a prize to Abu Dhabi, which meant that we could go to Paris together. So we had a lovely time with that. There is, if you want to see any of the photos, they're not on my art Instagram, they're on my normal Instagram, which is still open. You can have a look. It's Christina__Charlotte. So you can go and have a look if you want to see some of Lily and I being a little bit silly. We had a funny moment of, I don't know what we were doing. One day we were just being very silly because we were quite happy to be on holidays, as you are. And she put the camera on the ground and we looked down on it and took a photo, and it kind of started a series of on the ground photos from there on in, which was quite fun. Everywhere we went. The mosque in Abu Dhabi even. Was a good prize to win, actually. Gosh, wouldn't we all like to just win a prize like that every year? Have a good old free holiday. Oh, well, it wasn't free going to Paris, but anyway, we got there. So I thought I would paste this down with some fabric glue, and then I'll have to let it dry, but this is the bones of it already starting. Maybe I'll just do a little one across, not too much because I know it'll come through. I think what I might do is come back and paint onto this with some Inktense pencils or some watercolour pencils. This was just a printout because because it's in a tin, I didn't actually have any tea bags with a label or anything like that. Just with the glue stick. Hope everyone's enjoying this little series. It's good fun to watch everyone else's videos and see what everyone's doing. Now, I was also thinking about how at the moment I'm sort of just doing the little prompts, but I'm not really doing any journaling, and I'm aware that I often do that. I set up a journal and I do a lot of creative art in the journal, but I don't actually journal. And I think that I might want to start to put a few bits and pieces in about each day, what's been happening. Now that's covering the quote. I don't know if I want to do that. This one might work. So I'm going to put them in envelopes. It's not that I think people can't see them, but just if I was showing someone a journal and I really didn't want to show them what I had written or done, I may prefer to pull it out of an envelope. So I'm just going to get one of my bits. Last night I had a lovely dinner out with Huss. We went to an Italian restaurant. So, you know, little things like that. I wouldn't mind having a little memory of them. Good old rippy paper. Now my plan is to put this on here. Cut this out. A bit wobbly. Goodness. So I'm just going to cut this like that. It'll look a little bit like a secret pocket. That. think I'd like it to be a flap, which means I will still put something on here so I can utilise this page, unless I do it here. But that's what I'm going to do today off camera. I'm going to write out some of the things I did, put it in the little pocket and attach this. So this is my day 3. And I'll also paint that once it's dry. And I'll show you tomorrow. Where am I writing it? 3. Throwback. There we go. That's a bit of fun. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.